Hey everyone, I wanted to go over some tips on construction speed in Whiteout Survival to help accelerate your amount of time that it's going to take to actually start these buildings. So, one of the first things that we're going to be looking at is going to be our Daybreak Island. So, click on your dock, go in here, and the decoration that boosts your construction speed is the Fountain of Joy. This does give a small boost to the construction speed, but overall it's going to help you out anyways. With this, the building does, or the decoration does only get to level 5, and if you were to build another one, it does not stack with this particular decoration. So just keep that in mind when you are starting that. The next one that we're going to be looking at is going to be our events tab and going over into Castle Battle. Once we click in appointment details, we can go to our vice presidential position. This is going to boost 10%, and there is a lineup for the position. So when you apply, you'll be put at the very end of the line. You will see in reservations, it usually is UTC time, but you click those little spinning arrows and it'll give you the local time as to when that's going to be active. So when you apply to that position, make sure that the next buffs that you're looking at are going to be activated during that time that you have that position. It does only last 30 minutes. Unless somebody is not behind you in line, it can last indefinitely. Once we go into Chief House here, the next acceleration buff is called Double Time. This is going to boost your construction speed by 20%, but it does only last 5 minutes. So make sure you have all your resources available to you when you are activating that buff. Same thing with the next one, only lasts 5 minutes. It's your pet skill from your hyena. And this one here, because I have a level 4, is going to be a 12% speed boost. The last and final thing that you're getting construction buffs off of is going to be in your research facility. This one here is called Tooling Up. As you level this up through growth, you will permanently unlock construction speed buffs as well. So once you get to the higher tiers, obviously it's just going to take longer for it to finish, but in the long run it's going to be worth it, especially when you're looking at furnace time of like 30 days and plus. So when I started all those buffs at the same time and started my furnace 28, I believe it was somewhere around like 30 days for it to finish. With all those buffs stacked together, it cut it down to 12 days and 20 hours. I really hope that this video helps you in maximizing the amount of time that you can get from the acceleration boost of construction in the game. And I will be making more videos as I find things to help every alliance member get the best amount of perks from the game.